During my school days, I had no life. Rarely I took care of myself. I was always focused on goals, achievements, and meeting the expectations my parents had of me. There was a point where I almost had everything that I wanted, but I was depressed. I would get the midnight cravings, I would wake up till late night. The effects of these started appearing soon. I was gaining weight and even getting breakouts at the age of 27. This was the point when my friends helped me, asked me to take care of myself. I pulled myself up and decided not to be depressed. I got my acne checked up and took steps to reduce weight. With time, things started getting better. My acne started to reduce, though my habit of eating junk did not completely go away. But the lockdown forced me not to order fast food whenever I felt like now. I started cooking my meals with occasional orders from outside once or twice a month. I know many of you out there are facing the same problems and need motivation. I'm motivating myself every single day to do something better for myself. I'm not a preacher here. There are days when I do not exercise at all. I just relax all day long. Or I sometimes do just few household chores. But now I have started listening to my body. There are days when I exceed my calorie intake exponentially, but I do not feel bad or guilty about it. I try to work harder the next few days. I feel like this channel can be useful for girls like me who needs motivation every single day to just get up and not waste the one life we have. This is where we can motivate each other to be better. I will be sharing my daily activities in here to motivate you each day. I'll be posting videos every single day or maybe every alternate days, just to make you realize that it is okay to miss going to the gym, or it's okay to overeat some days if you are determined to achieve your target. Buy something for yourself. Be happy with yourself. Do what you want. I would not want you to waste a lot of time to find the exercises or the diet that I follow. So we'll be providing you with the links or the complete diet of what I'm having every single day and how it's affecting my health. For your first day, you can just follow this 15-minute at-home leg workout. You'll find the link in the description box. Also, while exercising, do not overdo if it's your first day. Give yourself enough rests in between. Drink as much water as you want. If you're unable to do one exercise, leave it for now and move on to the next one. Do not give up. That's the only thing that you need to remember. If you're following a certain diet and you're not liking the taste of something, any of the ingredients, just discard that particular ingredient and add something else. If you want to add mayonnaise, if you want to add cheese, if you want to add chicken, add anything you want, but please track it. Be mindful of what you eat. For example, if you're tracking it and you see that you have exceeded the calorie intake for that day, do not worry. Do not forcefully skip any meal just to cover up the extra calories. But be better the next day. Be mindful the next day. Self-care is not a one-time deal. Little and often wins the day. As I have my vacations going on, this is how I'm spending my days, just giving rest to my body. I decided to clean up my almirah today. Me and Ankush have divided the space so that each of us can keep their clothes without mixing them. I have further sectioned my space into office wear, gym wear, casual wear and pajamas. Once a week I even water my plants. I have loved gardening from a very young age. It feels great taking responsibility of plants and not ignoring them. I believe it's a great thing to teach kids as they will learn how to take ownership of something. After I track my diet for the day, I would generally track the exercises if it's more than half an hour of exercises, because really 15 minutes or 20 minutes of exercise is almost nothing. But then if you want, you can track those also so that you have an idea about how much calories you have lost. This activity gives me a sense of how I treated my body the whole day. And you too will realize that how you need to take care of yourself. So I hope I have inspired you in some way and will continue to do so. I would be sharing all my videos to motivate you. It's up to you if you want to follow it or if you want to take some inspiration from it. I would want your life to be better and stress-free. Thank you for watching.